This line is due to the HR. Okay. Now, after this, let's return back to HR. We also discussed that each tag is having its own attributes, right? So if I want to change some attributes of HR, attributes are simply properties, okay? You want to change the behavior of a tag, you add some properties or add some attributes and you can change the behavior of that particular tag. Let's start it with HR also. Now you can see that this horizontal line is covering the full width of the page. Okay, so I want to stop that. That's why let us give it a width of, let's say, 200 pixels. Let's save it and refresh it. You can see that this is now only 200 pixels, and by default it'll always be in the center of the page. Okay, and if you want to change it, let's make it 250. And if you want to change some of the alignment of this, let's write align is equal to left. Now let's see what happens. You can see that the line is now covering only 250 pixels in width and it is aligned on the left. Similarly, you can also try for the right alignment of this. See, it's gone on the right. All right. So now our alignment is left here. Okay. Now it is quite possible that I need a little bit thicker line. So in order to do that, let's write the size. And what is the size? It's in pixels, okay? So let's give it a size of, let's say, 5 pixels. Okay. See? It is a little bit thicker now. If you want to show it, then let it be 10, it will be more prominent. See? This is 10 now. Then, now because I'm not able to see it quite clearly, so what I can do is I can write color is equal to red. See, now our line is in red color. Similarly, if I don't want any shade, then I can just write no shade. See, now there's no shade of it. Alright, now we come to the paragraph tag, which is our next tag. Let's leave it just like this. And now we need some paragraph. So the easiest way to write a paragraph is you can go to a Word document, open this Word document, and you might have done in your lower classes that if you need some random text, you can just write equal to RAND. You can see it like this, equal to RAND, and opening and closing round bracket, and you press enter. You can see some paragraphs popping up. See, let's copy 4 paragraphs till here, and let's copy and go to our HTML, and let's start with the paragraph. Now paragraph tag starts with a P and definitely ends with a /P. We want another paragraph, then we need another paragraph, so basically we want 4 paragraphs. Okay, I'll just tell you why. Okay, now in a Word, let's copy one by one. This is one paragraph. Okay, and let's paste this here. Similarly, let's copy another paragraph, this one, paste it here. Similarly, let's copy another one, paste it here. Then let's copy a fourth one, and paste it here. Okay, now let's go to our web browser and see what we have got. See, now if you take a look at this first paragraph, you can see that it is left aligned. You can see a straight line on the left hand side. Yeah, let me just increase the font. See this left side, we have a straight line on the left hand side, whereas on the right hand side it is haphazard, right? It's not a straight line. So this means that this is a left aligned paragraph. Same is the case with the other paragraphs also. You can see here. See, if I just select it, you can see on the left hand side you get a straight line in the selected portion, and on the right hand side you're not getting it, right? So all these paragraphs right now, they are left aligned. Okay, now this is the reason why we had copied 4 paragraphs here. And how do you come to know that one paragraph has ended and another one has started? You can see this line here. See, this is the first paragraph ending here, and one line, and after that they have started with the next line, right? So this blank line in between indicates that one paragraph has ended and another one has started, right? So let's come to the first paragraph here on the left hand side. Let me increase it. See, now paragraph, and if you write align is equal to left, that we all know that this is a default alignment of the paragraph tag. Okay, similarly, if you write here align is equal to center, see the spellings of center I'm using, then it will be center aligned. If I write align is equal to right, it will be right aligned. And if I go here and write here align is equal to justify, then this will be a justified text. Let's see what it all means. On the right hand side, when you see after this is the heading and this red HR tag, and I press F5, see here, if I select it, you can see that on the left hand side you're getting a straight line. This, even if you don't write align is equal to left, it's going to be left aligned because this is the default alignment of the paragraph. And on the right hand side you're not getting a straight line in this selection, right? So this means that this is a left aligned paragraph. Let's move down here. If I select it, you can see that whatever pattern you get on the left hand side, the same pattern you're getting on the right hand side. Okay, and so what is it? This is a center aligned paragraph. And then how to define it? You can just imagine an imaginary line in the center of the page. Okay, so this paragraph is a mirror image of the right hand side or the left hand side. Okay, so it is symmetrical about an imaginary center line in the page. All right, similarly, if you come down, let's just select it. Now you can see that you get a straight line on the right hand side and you're not getting a straight line on the left hand side. Okay, so then that means that this is a right aligned paragraph. Similarly, when you come down and select the fourth paragraph, you can see that it is having a straight line on the left hand side and a straight line on the right hand side. So what is happening here is that the text is adjusting the space between the two words or between the two letters so that you get a straight line on the left hand side and you get a straight line on the right hand side. Okay, so the books are printed this way. If you see, yeah, this is a justified text. Let's do it again. This is left side, this is left aligned, this is center aligned, this is right aligned, and this is justified text. All right. I hope that the concepts are clear. Please practice it till you get it right, okay?